What's up, Saitans? Welcome back to the very first video of the tech reviews. So today we have a very special video. We are going to be unboxing the PS5. So let's go ahead and unbox the PS5. This is the PS. Oh shit.
One eternity later.
Just kidding, guys. We have got the PS5 in the house. Yeah. There you go. We have the PS5. So this is the brand new PS5, guys. As you can see, we have the PS5. On the left hand side of the box, we just have some information, the back, and some more information at the back. It also says 825 gigabytes model, and on this side we just have the PS5 and the remote controller. So this is what you get in the box. So let's go ahead and unbox it. There you go. So let's see what's inside the box of the PlayStation 5. Oh, there's another box inside of the box. So let's keep this here. And let's get rid of this. So this is another box with PlayStation branding on the front. Nothing on the right, nothing on the back, and nothing on the side as well. So this is how it opens. So there are some instructions written here. So it says, remove the top box first, then lay the PlayStation box flat, and then remove the PlayStation. Alright. So let's do exactly that. So as you can see, there's a box here. So we need to remove this box first. And what you see inside is the PlayStation 5. Let's lay it down flat. That's all that you get in the box. Let's keep this aside as well. So this is exactly what you get in the box. Let's see what we have in the smaller box. So we have a connection cable, Sony PS5 user manual, quick start guide. We don't need these. This is interesting. So this is the stand for the PS5. You can use this to lay it vertically or horizontally. And the best thing about this is that you get screws installed. You don't need to buy this externally, you get it with the box, and that's a great thing. Next is the HDMI cable. You get the USB to Type-C for the controller. And finally, the DualSense controller for PS5. That's it for this box. Let's keep it aside. Lol. Ta-da-ta-da. Whoa! This is the PS5 DualSense controller, guys. Have a look at it. If you can see, there's really fine X, square, triangle and circle that's been designed on this controller. It's beautiful. And now it's time for the big guy, the PS5. And for the big reveal, there it is, the PS5. What a beautiful design. In front, you get a USB and a USB Type-C port. There you have the ejection button and the power button. At the back, you have the power port, you have the HDMI, then you have the LAN cable port, and then you have two more USB ports. So this is the PlayStation 5. So that's it, guys. That was the unboxing video of the PlayStation 5. If you really liked it, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment on the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Saitans. If you'd like to watch the complete review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and there's more videos coming up. Thank you.